I'm Heidi with Preferred Compliance Solutions, and it's time for another quick compliance tip. If you like these videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button underneath this video to be notified every time we post a new video. Did you know that we have created a form to make the application process easier for your applicants that receive tips? It's called the Declaration of Tip Income and should be completed by any applicant that could or does receive tips. Now, what about the applicant who works in an industry that typically pays tips, but they state that no tips are received? We actually have an option for that. They will simply mark the first option on our form, which says, I do not receive tips. Now let's talk about the difference between the two remaining options. The second option states that yes, I do receive tips, but all of my tips are declared to my employer for tax purposes. This means that 100% of tips are reported to the employer and that the employer has listed the tips on the employment verification. Then the third option states that yes, I do receive tips, but I do not declare all of my tips to my employer. This means that none or only a portion of the tips are reported to the employer. On the line provided, the applicant will list the amount of his or her additional tips. Any amount listed on this line will actually be included in addition to the tips that were already listed on the employment verification. Super easy, right? Don't forget to check out our website and social media links down below to stay up to date on all of the industry's latest news. Have a great week, everyone. Bye!